All right, so we just showed up at the next big project here. This house is getting a complete makeover. I'll start outside. We just cleaned it yesterday. We'll be doing a full exterior paint job with a few little repairs here and there. We'll be doing a lot of landscaping out here. We're going to tighten up this driveway, maybe move all these bricks out and put some gravel down just to make it look a little better. We'll be trimming all these trees and hedges and everything to get them, you know, from the ones hanging over the house. But it cleaned up pretty good. I didn't get any before footage on this one, but exterior clean's kind of an exterior clean. Yeah, we'll be doing all that. New screen is going in. We'll probably paint a lot of this metal that won't come clean because it's just been so long since it's been cleaned. New tile flooring going in here. New French door going there. That's pretty much on the outside. Let's go ahead and take a trip inside. We'll also be doing some clearing out here. This house is on an acre, so we're gonna get a lot of this underbrush up and all these small little scraggly trees out of the way. Kind of open up this backyard a little bit. We're also gonna do some work on that shed back there. It's got some roofing issues and some other things going on. Let's go on inside here and show you what we're about to be knocking out. We pulled up all the carpet day before yesterday. All right, so here's the inside. All right, so we'll start from the floor up. We're gonna be doing all new flooring. That tile is gonna go. There was tile here, that's already gone. There's gonna be the same flooring throughout. Bedrooms, living area, kitchen, bathrooms. It's all gonna be luxury vinyl plank. Brick walls getting painted. New countertops going in. We're just gonna paint these cabinets and put some new appliances in there. All the fans and light fixtures are gonna go and get replaced. Here's bathroom number 1. This is gonna get a complete gut and redo. More floors in here, paint everywhere. More fan action. Here's bathroom number 2. That's bathroom number 2 that will go away and get completely redone. Obviously all the doors will get painted. And yeah, stay tuned for the rest of it. Just getting started. It is time for the after video. As you can see, we've done some landscaping. The roof has been cleaned. House has been painted. Driveway, we redid the driveway as well with some lime rock. A little inexpensive solution, but it was much better than the hodgepodge they had. Did some more clearing, removed some bigger trees. Painted the screen. That used to be like a steel look, but it was very worn. Cleared the whole back. As discussed before, only thing left is a small burn pile. Inside this patio, we tiled the floor to kind of match what we got going on the inside that I'll show you in just a minute. It's all painted, mulch all the way around, brushed up whatever landscaping was salvageable and replaced the rest. Let's go back inside here, show you what we did. That's the oldest part of this whole house now. So we also put some new pavers here just to freshen it up, but we painted this floor, re-wrapped all the columns, top and bottom, to give them a more finished look. Obviously, painted the front door. Here we go. So this is the inside, all new flooring throughout, all new paint, new fans. That brick wall used to be brick, now it's painted white. So we put all new countertops in the kitchen, painted all the cabinets white, all new hardware, refrigerator coming soon. Added this bar top with a little bit of just 6-inch tongue and groove pine. It's a good look for kind of what they got going on. That obviously used to be gold, now it's black. Same with the mantle, it used to be a wood color. Much better than that gold look. Here's the patio from the inside. All new light fixtures. We even added some recessed lighting in here and over the bar top. Obviously new sink. The owner found a decent stove used. Let's go over here to the first bathroom that used to have a brown nasty tub. And it's looking good. New vanity, new toilet, new flooring, painted the tub, new tile, new paper towel holders, or paper towel holders, toilet paper holders, towel holders, hand rag ring, new mirrors, lights. Here's another bedroom. All new fixtures, painted all the woodwork, painted all the walls, painted all the ceilings. Here's another, this is the master bedroom, which oddly enough has a smaller bathroom, but that's all right. Here's the bathroom here. Vanity, mirror, towel bar, toilet paper holder, and new shower. And that's pretty much a wrap. Whole renovation ran about 30 grand, give or take. Started out a little lower than that. We got a new thermostat up there, but we had to replace some things like this hot water heater here. Needed to be replaced. Like I said, that AC unit's the oldest thing in this house now. Everything else is pretty much brand new. Pretty good project. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of stuff.